Mike with BedRug. You all seen this video with Chevy versus Ford versus steel versus aluminum beds. Well, everything that we do in life needs some type of bed protection in our truck. Let's take a look at the BedRug. BedRug has a 3/4 inch foam on the bottom with a 1/4 inch foam protection on the sides. This thing's going to take just about anything you throw at it. Rocks, gravels, golf clubs, coolers, bowling balls. So just to recap, besides getting a great looking BedRug, you get great bed protection and you get great water protection. If you want to learn more about BedRug, visit bedrug.com.